Korean gradient lip. The best pang aura yan, girl. So, let's do it. First, use any concealer that you like. Kahit ano pa yan, pwede mong gamitin yan. Okay, so what you want to do is put it on your lip like this. Ganyan lang. Dot, dot, dot. And then blend it with a sponge or brush. Wala akong sponge ngayon dito nang mawala, kaya brush na lang muna tayo. Okay, so mukha na tayong corpse. Ang next step natin is we'll use our Dream Velvet Tint in the shade Famous. So this is what she looks like on swatch. She is gorgeous. Okay, so now you want to take just a little and tap lang. Ooh, nagkaka-color na siya. Now that we have our base color, you want to get our Dream Velvet Tint in the shade Fierce. This is yung pinaka-dark namin na red sa Dream Velvet Tint. So this is what the shade Fierce looks like. As you can see, napakaganda ng shade natin. Curl. Now this is what we're going to use dito lang sa loob, sa inner lip. Mas ganun din sa taas. Paganto-gantohin mo lang yung lips mo, girl. Or i-blend-blend mo, ganyan. Basta dapat concentrated dun sa loob. Okay, now that's in there. Let's use our glow tint in the shade Angel. Nalagay lang natin siya dito sa may upper lip natin. Para lang may highlight tayo dyan. Ano ba lang? And of course, my favorite Dream Gloss in the shade Clear para lang mas bongga yung gradient lip natin. And she's done. Okay, pakitawag na si Songkang.